Hey everyone, Dan with Mac Rumors, and Apple just released a new update to iOS 11. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at some of the new features and changes to iOS 11.2.5. So one of the main reasons for this update is because of Apple's HomePod. And according to release notes for 11.2.5, this will help set up and automatically transfer your Apple ID, Apple Music, Siri, and Wi-Fi settings all straight to your HomePod, which is set to be released on February 9th. There's also support for Siri News, which is how we assume the HomePod will read you the latest news when you use the voice command. However, this is also available in iOS devices too, and it reads you the news via the podcast app. All you have to do is say, "Hey Siri, read me the news."
Here's the latest news from NPR. Play.
He didn't at all. He did not even a little bit. Nope. And he's going to do a good job.
Trump was answering questions and assigning of executive actions related to tariffs.
You can also make specific news requests for categories like sports, business, and music. Siri Reading the news was actually available in 11.2.2, but the specific categories is new for 11.2.5. Another UI change lies within the control center. When you 3D touch or long press to expand the audio tile, you now see separate tiles for each supported device, like an Apple TV, and one would assume a tile for HomePod will be here as well. This essentially allows you to control multiple audio sources at the same time. Aside from those updates, there are also various bug fixes and tweaks that address issues in the Mail app, Phone app, CarPlay, and VoiceOver can now announce the remaining battery level for your AirPods. There's also a fix to that strange malicious link that can freeze up your Messages app on iOS devices. So what are your thoughts on iOS 11.2.5? Now this update is kind of a small one, but this does point us in the direction of how iOS devices might interact with Apple's HomePod. So let us know in the comments section down below what you think. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.